this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search camera app. From here, click on camera and click on forward stop. After forward stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library, click on camera app and click on this four dot icon and click on settings icon. Now in camera settings, scroll down to and click on reset settings. Click on reset. After reset camera setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.